I really feel for the teachers who had to work in that remote learning environment. The world is a lot smaller than it used to be, and I feel that the future of learning is very reflective of that smaller world.
Our education can't be just in our little town, our little city, but we need to train these students so that they can go out anywhere in the world and survive and flourish.
The most difficult thing about being an educator today is seeing so many different needs, but not having all the right tools or the answers for everyone.
Having all of this technology really does help and bridge those gaps in communication and comfort in the classroom.
If we can put things in the hands of teachers to try it, then their conversations will grow ideas and they can then go back to their classrooms and maybe be brave enough to try it.
I think originally we discovered Osmo.
Might be here at
yes.
ISTE. We just were teachers looking for something new to integrate into our classroom and looking for fun ways to engage the students.
Especially in this day and age, we really need to find that joy and find that fun in learning. One thing COVID has really taught us all is, especially in the world of education, the mental well-being and the emotional well-being is critical for students and teachers to be successful.